In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix the GIF option not showing up on your keyboard while committing. You can simply add the GIF option to your Instagram keyboard in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. Let's choose any post comment section. On your keyboard, you will find the GIF option whenever you want to write a comment. If you can't find the GIF option, make sure you first check if your Instagram is updated. Simply head into your App Store. On this page, tap on the Update button to get the latest version of Instagram. Refresh and open up your Instagram. You will find the GIF option on your Instagram keyboard while commenting. That's how easy it is to add GIFs on your Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.